2026 Toyota Tacoma, everything you need to know. Today we'll learn all about the 2026 Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Motors' best-selling truck. The biggest feature of this truck is that it has long been known for its durability and go-anywhere ability, and it's also easy to drive, efficient, and comfortable on the road. The new model will have thicker side window glass to reduce wind noise than in previous years. The same is true for ride quality, as the Tacoma will still be more truck-like than its smoothest riding competitors. As for the climate system, it will have efficient heating and cooling and will be easy to adjust. Standard safety features on the new 2026 Tacoma pickup truck should include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, pedestrian detection, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beam assist. 2026 Toyota Tacoma redesign. After arriving as a completely new design for 2024 model, the Toyota Tacoma is a pickup truck model for the 2025 model year. Toyota's redesign for the 2024 Tacoma was thorough, so we're not expecting too many changes to the brand's iconic midsize pickup truck in the 2026 model. The exterior design of the new Toyota Tacoma should match the current pickups on sale. This Toyota truck has a robust design with a small oval grille, curved headlights, angular elements on the front fascia, and a strong front bumper. On the sides, the pickup truck will have wide fender flares, a boxy design, and a large hood. At the rear, the Toyota Tacoma has a durable rear bumper, rectangular tail lights, and a simple tailgate. We expect the 2026 Tacoma to remain available in extended and crew cab body styles. 2026 Toyota Tacoma release date. If you want to know about the release date of the new Toyota Tacoma, then let me tell you that Toyota has not made any official announcement about this. However, according to the available information, we expect the 2026 Tacoma to appear on the roads in late 2025. 2026 Toyota Tacoma price. We know the price of the new Toyota Tacoma has not been confirmed. But, we expect of the new Toyota Tacoma the starting price of the 2026 Tacoma could be around $30,500, and it will compete with the Honda Ridgeline, Nissan Frontier, Jeep Gladiator, GMC Canyon, Chevrolet Colorado, and Ford Ranger. 2026 Toyota Tacoma interior. Toyota is not expected to make any changes to the interior design of the Tacoma for the 2026 model year. We expect a modern interior design similar to the current model, with a tiered dashboard, a chunky four-pronged steering wheel, and a large central touchscreen. Some of the strong features of this truck include rectangular air vents, large grab handles, oversized controls, and several controls for off-roading. The placement of the central display at the front of the dashboard will make it easy to access, while the large controls for the HVAC system will be intuitive to use. Also, it will have a standard 8-inch touchscreen and a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. Available features should include a 14-inch touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, JBL audio system, portable speakers, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Toyota's Smart Card Key. 2026 Toyota Tacoma specs. Brad Toyota. Model 2026. Body type pickup truck. Doors 4 doors. Seating capacity 5 passengers. Fuel type gasoline. When will the 2026 Toyota Tacoma be available? There is no disclosure about the release date of the new Toyota Tacoma, but according to some information, we can expect it to be released in late 2025. How many people can the Toyota Tacoma seat? Since the Toyota Tacoma is a truck, it can comfortably seat a total of 5 passengers, and there will be enough space for all passengers. Will the 2026 Toyota Tacoma have safety features? The Toyota Tacoma is expected to have advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a comprehensive airbag system. Will the 2026 Tacoma have tech features? The Toyota Tacoma will include features such as a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, USB port, wireless charging, and a premium sound system and navigation. How much will the 2026 Toyota Tacoma cost? According to some information and new specifications, we expect the new Toyota Tacoma to be priced at around $30,500.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me, I'll never forget